are you?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, baby. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, very good. How are you, baby?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great. Are you not sleepy?
Yes,
Oh, yeah, okay. That's nice. Okay, by the way, did you eat already for dinner? Did you eat dinner
yes.
already? Okay, so what did you eat for dinner?
I eat.
Mm-hmm.
I eat meat and rice.
Oh, meat and rice. It sounds delicious. Okay, so how about for lunch? What did you eat for lunch?
Eat eggs with rice.
Oh, egg and rice. Okay, baby, what did you do today? What did you do today, baby Helen?
Today I go to my grandparents' house and play with my friend.
Oh, you went to your grandparents' house. Okay, and you play with your friend. So, what did you play with your friend? What did you play with your friend, baby Helen? What kind of game
I
did you
play.
play with your friend?
I play badminton and I walk in the park with my friend.
Oh, a badminton. You know what, baby Helen? The only sports that I know is only badminton. Okay, so now, baby, are you ready to start with our class tonight?
Yes,
Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen and just give me a few seconds, okay?
yes,
Okay, so now, baby, can you see the screen right now?
yes.
Okay, so now we are going to talk or to continue the discussion about the favorite part. Okay, so now, do you already know what is your favorite park? Do you have any idea already if what is your favorite park?
No, I don't know.
No. Okay, let's try to search some parks on the Vietnam. You are from Vietnam, right?
Yes,
Okay, so let's try to search. Famous park in okay, where in Vietnam you are? Hanoi?
yes,
How do you spell? Okay, Hanoi, Vietnam. Okay, so these are the famous parks in Hanoi, Vietnam. Okay, so we have, can you see the screen?
yes.
Okay, so now we have oh, we're not able to open. So are you familiar with these parks? Or do you have any idea where is it located? We have the Bavi National Park. Okay, wait, let me open. Uh, oh, okay, this one, baby. Can you just see my screen? This one?
Yes.
Okay, are you familiar with that? That's in Hanoi, Vietnam, but I don't know where specifically. How about this one?
We don't know.
Oh, how
In
about, oh, so in the picture, oh, how about this? How about this one, baby? Are you familiar with this? How about that one, baby Helen?
we never go this far.
Oh, okay. All right, that's so okay. That's okay, baby. Yes. So now, let's continue to discuss about this. Okay, so we have the exercise number 6. Fill in the blanks, read the dialogue aloud with your tutor. So I will be the teacher side and you are going to be Peter, okay? What you just need to do is I need you to complete the sentences. Okay, baby?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Can you say, yes, I am ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, nice. So let's start. Okay, what is the most beautiful building in your city, Peter?
I think Stonewall Cathedral is the famous beautiful building in London.
Okay, should I go to St. Paul's Cathedral?
Yes, it's fantastic.
Okay, what is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Ivy.
Okay, can you say it again? The Ivy.
The Ivy.
Okay, that is Ivy. Okay, very good. Is it expensive? Is it expensive?
Yes, it,
Okay.
it is one of the most expensive restaurants in London.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next one. Oh no, I don't want to eat at an expensive restaurant.
You shouldn't go. I highly recommend it.
Okay, can you try
You
to
should,
check
you
you?
should go. I
Mm-hmm.
highly recommend it.
Okay, I highly recommend it. Okay, maybe. Okay, thank you so much, Helen. So we have here the answers. It's expensive, but most should in and mind. Okay, so you answer everything correctly. So now let's just proceed on the exercise number 7. So, in the exercise number 7, we have here the ordering. Put the words into the correct order. For example, what is the park best city in yours? So the correct order is what is the best park in your city? So now, baby, please start with number 1. Okay, what do you think is the correct answer on the number 1? It's already given.
What is the park best? What is the best park in the city?
Okay, very good. Number 2.
The expensive, the
Mm-hmm.
most expensive department store is Harrods.
Okay, how about number 3?
The cheapest restaurant is Tony's Pizza.
Okay, Tony's Pizza. Okay, how about number 4?
The most expensive street is Queen Street.
Okay, can you say it again? Win.
The most expensive street is the Queen Street.
Okay, the most expensive street is Queen Street. Okay, there is only one da. Okay, so the most expensive street is Queen Street. Okay, all right. How about number 5?
Should I go to Central Park?
Uh-huh. Okay. Should I go to Central Park? Okay, again, should I go to Central
Should
Park?
I go, should I go to Central Park?
Okay, very good. How about number 6?
What is Johnny's favorite building?
Okay, what is your last favorite building? Okay, how about number 7?
My favorite bridge is Tower Bridge.
Okay, my favorite bridge is the Tower Bridge. Okay, number 8.
You shouldn't go.
Okay, you shouldn't or should not go. Okay, so now, baby, let me ask you something. How about, do you know what's the most expensive restaurant in Vietnam?
I don't know.
All right. Okay, how about do you eat pizza, baby?
Yes.
Okay, so when was the last time you eat pizza?
The last time I ate pizza in
Was?
in the
Okay, the question is where, when. Okay, so you are going to answer by was. Okay, the last time I eat pizza
last
was
time the last time I eat pizza is
was
in April. April.
what, baby? Can you say it again?
The last time I eat pizza is in April.
Okay, was in April. Okay, you're going to word. I mean, sorry. You are going to use the word was. Okay, because it's
Yeah.
already done. It's already okay. It already happened. Okay, so now, baby, what's your? Okay, wait. Let me show you this one. What's your, like, let's say, flavor of pizza? Like the toppings. What kind of pizza do you like to eat? Like those who have
I like
pineapples.
pizza with is
Okay, just like this one.
Swiss sauces. I like
Uh-huh. Okay, can you describe your pizza? Like, for example, for teacher, I like pizza with a lot of cheese, hot dogs, pineapple, and also meat. Okay, how about you, baby? How do you describe your pizza?
I like pizza with cheese, cheese, tomato sauces, and sauces and
Sausage
meat.
and and meat.
Meat.
Oh, I hate tomatoes. Okay, thank you so much, baby, for sharing that one. Okay, so now I will be asking you questions related to this one. Okay, so Harrods is a very famous, expensive department store in London. If you could go on a shopping spree anywhere, what kind of store would you want to visit? A toy store, a clothing store, or a restaurant like Tony Pizza? Or you have any idea which one or where do you like to go? Again, if you are given a chance to go on a expensive department store or expensive restaurant, where do you like to go, baby? And
I
why?
want
Like for
I
example,
want
yes, baby, go ahead. I want to
I want
go
to bookstore.
toy store. That's so cute. So
The
if you are
bookstore.
going, I bookstore. Sorry,
No.
bookstore.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you like to read?
Yes, I like read a
Oh,
book.
oh, that's so nice. So, what kind of story do you usually read? What kind of story do you usually read, baby?
I usually read Harry Potter
Oh, the Harry Potter. You like Harry Potter. Why do you like Harry Potter?
because it's very interesting.
Oh, it's very interesting. Oh, how do we spell Harry Potter? It's Harr. Okay,
It's
this one.
very nice and interesting.
Oh, it's interesting. Okay, so when was the last time you read the book Harry Potter? Okay, when was the last time you read the book, baby? Like, did you just read recently, yesterday, 2 days ago, 1 week ago, last month? And all right, so when was the last time you read the book?
I
I, oh, you can say the last time I read the book.
just I just read Harry Potter in the morning today.
Oh, so every morning you read a book.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay, very good, baby Holland. Okay, another question. Okay, this question is connected to question number 4 and number 7. Okay, so we talk about Queen Street and Tower Bridge. If you could travel to any famous city or country in the world right now, okay, right now, baby, where would you go and what famous building would you want to see? Again, we talk about Queen Street and Tower Bridge. If you could travel to any famous city or country in the world right now, where would you go and what famous building would you want to see? Okay, for example, teacher would like to go in Paris, France. And I want to see the building. I don't know if it's a building, but this one. I am not really sure if it's it's like a building or something. But this one, are you
I
familiar
want,
with this?
yes,
Okay, how about you? Where do you want to go?
I want to go,
Okay, you want to go where, baby?
I want to go I want to go to Lotte Central Hanoi.
Oh, just in Vietnam.
Yes,
Oh, all right. Okay. Thank you so much, baby. So now let's have the exercise number 9. On the exercise number 9, we have your turn to answer. The teacher will be asking you the same. Oh, all right. So we have, sorry, baby Holland, we have the exercise number 8. So here you are going to ask me these questions, okay? You are
yes,
going to read from 1 to 7. So, are you ready?
yes.
Okay. Can you read number 1?
What is the most beautiful building in your tower city?
Um, I
Your
think,
town or
or city. Okay. I think the most beautiful building here is our local church or town hall because of its classic architecture, but we also have some lovely modern buildings near the city center. Okay, how about number 2?
what is the most expensive restaurant?
Okay, the most expensive restaurant are usually the fine dining spots inside major hotels or specialized seafood restaurants down by the coast.
What
Okay.
is your favorite market?
Three, three, baby, three.
What is the best spot?
Okay, the best park is definitely the one with lots of green trees, open spaces for walking, and a nice playground where people can relax on weekend. Okay, how about number four?
What is your favorite market?
My favorite market is our local weekend market. It is always bustling and you can buy fresh fruit, vegetables, and delicious local snack. Okay, how about number five?
What is your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is a cozy little boutique that sells unique fashion accessories, cute digital items, and decoration. Okay, how about number seven?
What is your favorite shop?
Okay, so what baby? Seven, baby. Seven.
What is your favorite shop?
That's number five, baby.
What is your favorite shop?
Shop? Seven, baby. Seven. That is number five. You are reading number five. What is your least favorite
What is
restaurant,
your
street,
least
or
favorite
building?
What is your least favorite restaurant, street or building?
Okay, can you say it again? What is your least favorite restaurant,
What
street, or
your
building?
least favorite restaurant, street or building?
Okay, thank you. My least favorite street is the one near the main highway because it is always crowded, noisy, and full of traffic jams. Okay, so now, baby Helen, it's my time. It's my turn to ask you the questions, and you are just going to answer it, okay?
Yes,
Okay. Are you ready, Helen?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay, very good. Number one, what is the most beautiful building in your town or city?
The most beautiful, the most beautiful building in my city is the landmark 81.
All right. Okay, how about number two? What is the best park? Okay, what is the best park, baby? Maybe you can just say the best park is the one with playgrounds or something like
Is
that.
the best part is
Yes.
the best part is Sunward Banana Hills.
Mm-hmm. Nice one. Okay, how about number three? What is the most expensive restaurant? Again, what is the most expensive restaurant?
The most expensive restaurant is
Yes.
Red Arcade. Is
Okay.
Red Arcade.
Mm-hmm. Nice one. Okay. What is your favorite shop? Oh, no, no. Sorry, 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 baby. What is your favorite market? Again, what is your favorite market? Again, what is your favorite market?
Is the Marquis Đông Xuân.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next. What is your favorite shop? Okay, what is your favorite shop? Okay, what is your favorite shop, baby?
Is the is
Is the
the so my favorite shop is the Takashimaya.
mm-hmm. Okay, how about what is the most expensive street? Again, what is the
I
most expensive street?
I don't know this name, but I know
Uh-huh.
it's of the Highway Street.
Oh, okay. And the last one, baby. What is your last favorite restaurant, street, or building? Again, what is your last favorite restaurant, street, or building?
My
Again, what is
last
your last favorite restaurant, street, or building?
my last favorite mm, my favorite
Uh-huh.
my least favorite
Mm-hmm. Your last favorite. You can just choose, baby. You can just choose either restaurant, street, or building.
my last favorite restaurant is the
Is
Akuna
the what?
Akuna
All right.
restaurant.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now for tonight, baby Helen, since we are already, teacher already extended the time, teacher would like to ask and to give you assignment tonight. Okay?
Yes.
For assignment, I will be sending it to the group chat. I will be sending it, I guess it was your mom, but I will be giving you an idea if what is our assignment. So our assignment is all about the local tour guide challenge. So so the task is you need to pretend you are a tour guide for your hometown. Okay, you are a tour guide. Choose three, at least three real places in a city, park, building, and restaurant or shop, and write one sentence for each using the description words we learned today. Okay, the sentence starters to help you. You can say, the most beautiful building in my city is like this and like that. The best park to visit is. My absolute favorite shop or restaurant is. Okay, so we are going to check that on our next class. Okay, baby?
Yes.
Alright, but don't worry, I will be sending your assignment to the group chat so that you can read it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so goodbye for tonight, baby Helen. You did a very wonderful job. Good night.